that's just a setup for disaster. Hi guys, so this is a video a little different than like my regular videos, just because I really want to get in depth into these products. And the products we'll be trying today are these. These are from KKW, her new Body Foundation, Skin Perfecting Body Shimmer, Shimmer Powder for face and body, and we're using the brush to apply it. So I want to do this outside with you guys, so come on. Alright you guys, so we are now in my backyard, which is probably like the worst idea because of the fact that there's fucking bugs out here. No, because airplanes are, you already know, noise. So we're gonna have to do a lot of pausing. So if you don't hear any words while I'm doing this, is because there's a shitload of planes like that one passing. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna start off with the Skin Perfecting Body Foundation in tan. I don't know if this is my color, but I'm gonna try it. And I also have the brush to apply it. So let's start. So yeah, I have this horrible mark because I am a klutz and I bust my ass everywhere and hit everything and trip on everything. And I have all these little spider veins, and those are inherited from my mother. So we're gonna try. Oh, this might be too dark for me, but we're gonna try it.
Some work in progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you.
Yeah, I only chose one color. Because I thought that I was tan. Because her trainer and me are similar colors, and she put tan on her. So, but I definitely. It definitely hid those spider veins really well. With this bruise, I think I had to maybe color correct the bruise. So next we're gonna go in with the Skin Perfecting Body Shimmer, and I got it in gold. I'm just gonna apply it right above that on my leg. Let's check this out, this mix. Ooh, I don't hate it. I almost feel like this kind of lifts up the foundation. It's difficult to get back here. Now we're going in with the Shimmer Powder for face and body. Okay, so this is, again, the KKW foundation. Wow. Let's check it out. Check it out. I have a mark right here. A beauty mark. Let's see if it covers it. I never wore foundation all over my body. So I'm gonna do half of my arm, half of my chest, and the other half, I'm gonna leave it just so we can see the difference. So I have some tan lines that I hate right here. Let me see if I can get you guys a little lower. Here you go. Maybe you guys can see a little better. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Skin Perfecting Body Shimmer. I definitely could have gone for medium. Tan is very dark, but I chose tan because this would be my summer color. I definitely didn't want to get like my year-round color. I know I'm gonna get tan. Now I'm gonna go in with the Shimmer powder. Definitely a big difference. I don't know, can you guys see a difference? I definitely can. I definitely see a difference. I like that it dries down dry. It doesn't really feel sticky, which is really good. I'm scared if it transfers, so I'll let you guys know as the day goes on if it does transfer, if it doesn't, what exactly is the lowdown. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. Now that I showed you guys the difference, because I really want to see how wearable it is. I really want to see how wearable it is throughout the whole day. So yeah. Okay, you guys, it is now 10:30 at night, and I'm checking in with the foundation all over my body. I literally put it all over my body. I went from doing it halfway to doing it all over just to see how long it lasts, and honestly it still lasts. Like, it still looks really glowy and really nice, and I've had it on all day. I like it. The only one thing I can say is that it does transfer, like I showed you guys, and that's it. I can see myself wearing something like this to go out. So yeah, I can't see myself wearing it on just like a regular day just because it's a lot. Like, all those steps and having to do them. And also, you can't wear white and wear it because that's just a setup for disaster. But yeah, other than that, you guys, I really do like it. Very shockingly. I didn't think I was gonna like it. My makeup looks crazy. My lashes are like, I look all over. Anyway, I'm ready for bed. I'm going to bed now. I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you guys know the update on the KKW Body Foundation. And yes, I do like it. I do not like that it transfers, so just be careful when you wear it, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to let me know what you think. Okay? Until next time, bye guys. I wanted to show you guys how many freaking napkins I needed just to take off all this body makeup that I put on today. 1, and my boyfriend had to help me. 2, 3. This one's the last one actually. That was 3 and 4. So you definitely should not use micellar water like I did. You should use like a cream that comes off in the shower. And you also risk messing up your shower with foundation. So yeah, is it worth it? Stay. Face it down a little. Yeah, right there. Okay. So we're gonna start off with. So you're gonna go from up here to like my legs.
Hand it as you do it.
Fucking bugs. Ew! Literally just sucked the fucking blood out of me. Is dying?
The red button on the back is
Fuck
working.
me. The battery's upstairs.
Right,
Yeah,
it's
the
recording.
bugs are literally. I think there's one in my. To a leg. So now we're gonna go to the legs. Record my legs. Okay. Alright, you guys, in case you have not noticed, I have fucking bugs in my backyard. Okay.